Hello, happy Friday to all of us nationwide and worldwide, and to the different countries, to the different people in this world, to different time in this world. Hello, hey, hello, hello. Shout out to all of us nationwide, worldwide, same as usual. And to all subscriber of mine, to all supporters in my YouTube channel, to all viewers, thank you very much. And how are you? So once again, I make a video of these old videos that we have here. Okay, look, it's not clear because of my cell phone. But it's okay. At least that one is a part of my journey in my previous mga years, and because I make it before, that's what I'm telling, it's make it delete na naman yan because it's stuck up na nga, no more already. So I need to change this one, I need to delete so that I can download the new one. And this one, it's make me na lang video, a souvenir of my life while I'm still working here in the Baghdad, Iraq. And I cannot come back na from the previous years and these places. So that's why I make it video to serve it. At least someday and somehow, I can open anytime my YouTube channel. I can found and I can see my all previous videos. Okay, thank you very much. That one is case Sisi when they are still young, with their cousins also. And also this one that she is crying. Sisi, close the door please, Celine. Why? Because I make video. Thank you. And that's why. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay. Thank you to all viewers that I have the different people that they are the one to watch in my all videos. Thank you very much, all viewers that you are watching. And to those also, some viewers that you are watching, I wish that you can subscribe. Yeah, I'm just make it smile, because at least it's hard also if I make it seriously that I'm talking. That is heartily and asking a favor that some viewers that you can subscribe, you can likes and comments of my some videos also. That one is Sisi when she's still young, small. I think when she is 2 years old, if I'm not mistaken, that one. 2 years old or 3 years, because she is big kasi. Kaya that's why. Look. That's what we are. Cannot come back na my previous what's that, at least this one, it's deserve of my life na I'm working. And this one also is the older, they just changed something, this one before, after the war, but this one is very old na, since pa yan. And if you know the history of the Iraq, in the Baghdad, Iraq, and that is it. You know already. That one is very long time ago na yan. They make it change only. I think they change this one every occasion or every year. Yeah. Especially if Christmas and Ramadan or mga holidays ba. They change the, what's that, the ano ba yun? Yung ayos. Ayan, they're changing. Ayan, look, it's old, ano talaga yan. That is the, I think, if I'm not mistaken, again, it's the original talaga, ano yan. The original building design since on that one side, they have a pictorial of Celine photos. Ayan, that's one. That is before. And Sir, Madam also with Madam together in the work the Rotana Hotel. Okay. That's one. At least I can delete na some of this one, so that if we go out, that is the right time that I can make video. If I go out, at least I can make it, I can send it, I can save in my YouTube channel. Again, thank you for watching. Thank you to subscribe me. Thank you that you are still supported in my YouTube channel from the beginning. Those some blogger until now that you are still support and connected in my YouTube channel. Thank you from the beginning until now that I'm still a beginner to make in this channel. Thank you very much, and to all viewers, thank you very much talaga that you understand, you are giving kindness and attention to watch my short videos and my regular videos. Thank you very much talaga that you are still watching in my videos. Thank you, and thank you very much. All subscriber now that I have from the beginning until now, thank you very much that you are still connected. Even some of them, they are not updated presently, but you have in your YouTube channel. And wherever you are, whatever you do, thank you very much talaga. You are the one part of my YouTube channel. Presently until now, double na, ganun talaga siguro. Because sometimes you cannot talk perfectly. Sometimes talaga you cannot talk well. Okay, it's unnecessary. That is a part of our life. Because nobody's perfect, diba? Okay? So God bless us all. Happy Friday to all of us sa buong mundo, whole world. Happy Friday. We are only different out, not the same in the time, but it's still Friday. Okay, happy weekends to all of us. God bless you all. God bless us all. And take care and keep safe. Sometimes don't ignore your health. You must to give time also to your health, to yourself, especially to your health, because how can you work and how can you build success if your health is unconditional na. But God knows everything. Even some person, even me nga, I'm not feeling good, I am drinking na may maintenance. So some of them also that their health is not in a good way. God knows everything. Just pray, because God is provided everything what we need, especially to our health and to our life in our daily work, daily routine while we are still here in the world. Okay? And to all Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, to my hometown, to my brother, to my family, to my in-laws, to my niece, mga apo sa tuhod, relatives both side ni nanay, ni tatay, buong angkan. Sa Albor, Libho, Dinagat Island, Santa Cruz, Tubahon, Lorito, Mabini, ug sa iban pang mga barangays there. Okay? Osmeña, Plaridel, Arellano, Magsaysay, San Roque, at saka ibang mga dyan doon, mga island, buong Dinagat Island, and Siargao, because I have also adopted mga relatives there, adopted parents, brother and sister there. And may mga kababata, ang mga batchmate din ako doon. At saka more in the Surigao del Norte, buong Surigao del Norte, Surigao del Sur, at saka sa Surigao City na nag-residence ang brother ko. my in-laws, some relatives. Okay, and yun ang college, ano ko, city. Okay, thank you very much. If I cannot mention you all, every videos that what I have, I wish that you must be considered that you are one belongs of my journey in my journey in YouTube channel, and journey as a domestic helper in this world in Baghdad, Iraq. That one is Sisi. Yan ang alaga ko, and now from the beginning until now she is, so you know, that is the work of Madam. So we are there. Oh, that's why it's very important, that one to me, because I can come in this mga videos or this mga photos because of Madam and Sisi. Oh, so it's make preserve this one. Okay. And I thank you very much that you have your consideration to watch all my videos. So nice ka. Yan, old na yan, oh. 5 years, almost 6 years ko na yan nakita. Until now. Again, thank you again, and bye. God bless us all. Keep safe lagi. More blessings. Good health. Oh, keep safe to all of us. God bless. That one is outside yan. The entrance. Oh. But nice yan. There is mga plug. Ayan o, Nice yan, nice. Very nice yung entrance nila yan. Again, thank you so much. Thank you very much talaga. And bye at all. Ayan, hindi na maayos-ayos. Okay? Yala, thank you and bye-bye. Bye-bye, Grace. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. And this one also nga pala. That one is yesterday when we go to the mall, the Dramia Mall. Ayan o. Oh, that's what she buy. Jadreya Mall pala. The new Jadreya Mall. And their Carrefour there is open also. I think this one is a gift from last night. Okay, that one. And this one, no, including of the, what's that? For Sisi, and where is the mga color pencil. Okay, so thank you again, and bye. God bless us all. Keep safe, more blessings, more what's that, whatever we have, more and more.